Dear AfricaCom attendees, excited to get the chance to connect with you this year again at AfricaCom. First of all, I hope that you're all safe and keeping well out there. So last year, I talked about the power of AI and its role in connecting the unconnected. Since then, so much has happened in the AI space, and now AI is being implemented in the telecommunication industry. So today, I will deep dive further into the AI topic by looking at the applications of AI and automation across the entire life cycle of networks operations. Africa will witness tremendous growth in 4G subscriptions. Mobile broadband subscriptions will be 76% of total subscriptions by 2026 in sub-Saharan Africa. And the advancement of the 5G across the continent is expected exponentially. So 4G and 5G will coexist with legacy 2G and 3G technologies for some time to come. And managing complexity is essential for service providers to control OPEX and ensure high network quality. This is why AI is essential for network operations and increased user experience. Managing the complexity introduced by these multiple layers is a serious undertaking, and keeping the legacy ways of working will just increase operators' OPEX, maybe to the level that the whole economic viability of the new technology is put in question. And enabling an African future of higher technology connectivity requires another level of higher technology in networks operations. So this is where the automation and AI solutions makes a difference. And the Ericsson AI solutions are embedded throughout the network. It's built by people with extensive AI and telecom expertise. And with an AI-first mindset and technology in every product or services, our AI is deliberate and purposeful. The AI is addressing the complexity of the networks, and the AI is focused on quality of the network improvement. We call this the AI by design. But increased complexity needs machines and AI to increase the user experience. And during the pandemic, connectivity and the resilience network made a difference. And in the recent survey we did and presented in the mobility report that was published in June 2020, 83% of the respondents claim that ICT helped them to cope with the lockdown, enabling connectivity during and after the pandemic. And this is becoming a synonym of keeping countries and communities alive because it enables business growth. And this will maximize the African demographic dividend. And this will be dependent on the enabling of connectivity. And this will also reach the large populations of the African continent. With this, the quality of service will be supporting rapid economic growth. AI will be an enabler for higher network quality and also an enabler to grow the economy. So network quality is a value creator, an AI the enabler. AI will be the essential to increase customer experience by superior network quality. In another recent analysis that we were basing on the 5G lifecycle data from more than 30 countries, we have drilled deeper into how much good network performance benefits frontrunners. And our research shows that investing in network quality is a powerful way for service providers to drive lower churn or higher average revenue per user, the ARPU. In all countries that we analyzed, the service provider with the highest network quality has either higher ARPU or lower churn compared with the service provider with the lowest network quality. In the top half of cases where network quality is highest, we found that the lead service providers enjoys a higher average ARPU, up to 31% more, and the lower average churns, 27% less. So when we looked across all service providers, not just leaders and quality laggers, network quality correlated with increased ARPU and reduced churn. So moving into 5G and IoT, it presents a great opportunity. And also requires new capabilities as well as more effective management of cost and complexity. So change management is and will be a driver of this success. According to a report called supercharging customer experience through AI and automation. 8 out of 10 service providers expect an increase in cost and added complexity as a result of adding new technologies. So failing to address the increased demands on operations may adversely affect the customer experience and increase overall cost of operation. So utilizing AI and automation correctly can help operations achieve this. According to this report, AI and automation in operations has moved from concept to operational reality and are essential to realize the strategic priorities of increased customer experience while balancing the constant need for cost efficiency. So our research shows that most communication service providers are already working on AI and automation initiatives. However, technology alone is not enough. New skills and ways of working are required for service providers to become more digital. So let's elaborate a little bit on the balance that needs to be managed. How do you ensure the smooth and effortless customer experience balanced with how do you lower your total cost of operations? So operators have been using AI to plan their CapEx decisions to optimize their spending on the right places at the right time. This is enabled by using the cognitive planning software. We have these capabilities, we've developed it, and we're implementing it. So the cognitive planning enables the lowest cost of investment for operators, thus enabling more connections to be available to communities. So designing the right quality of service for these connections with optimized hardware and software is possible with cognitive design AI algorithms. This is the power of balancing the customer experience with the cost of operations. Data-driven operations is a reality in our network's operations. So the Ericsson Operations Engine, it's an AI-based delivery engine. We have more than 40 deployed AI use cases worldwide, and the Ericsson Operations Engine has proven to be a reliable operating model for complex network management by using advanced AI algorithms to predict fault before they happen. Proactive rather than reactive, with data-driven services, more proactive and more value-driven. The connection quality is not just maintained, the cost of such maintenance is also reduced. Moreover, continuously optimizing the connection using machine learning techniques enables the quality of the network to improve and ensure user experience is sustained. So from reactive to proactive, increased user experience and predictability and quality in network operations. AI enables networks to deliver sustainable value to communities. So by ensuring that a reliable connection is available, our service providers will act as enabler for community growth, not only through making quality of education available, but also making it available virtually and remotely for students and teachers when physical access to the classroom is prohibited and not possible. Sustainable network delivers sustainable value. The financial sector would thrive in such an environment, offering secure and quick transactions, boosting local economic growth. Healthcare would be elevated with virtual access to doctors, and especially in remote areas without access to hospitals. AI-powered network operations. We are building on African talents to innovate. Ericsson is uniquely positioned to be a key partner in helping close the connectivity gap. Due to the company's technology expertise, our global scale, and decades of experience in public and private partnerships, we are well positioned. We have also proven results connecting students and educators. So mapping the internet connectivity landscape for schools and their surrounding communities is a critical first step towards providing every child with access to digital learning opportunities. And with Africa's youthful populations, this presents a powerful opportunity for an accelerated growth and innovation in the continent. And this is in the heart of our Focus Africa strategy for Ericsson, encouraging innovation and powering it with local talents. Our just newly established local AI analytics hub in Egypt is a good example of this. It is built on local talents, and it's a great example with a key milestone delivered this month, achieved by shipping the first cognitive software to be used by customers worldwide to design and optimize networks. This is a very good example of how AI is powering network operations, and it's live, it's happening today, and it's coming out of one of our established centers in the continent. AI-powered network operations is the future to manage complexity and leverage technology. We believe that blending our global expertise along with the promising talented youth of Africa is the recipe for a state-of-the-art network for the continent. AI is transforming global productivity, is transforming ways of working and lifestyles. The journey has just begun, and I hope that you are as excited as I am to be part of this journey, part of transforming it, shaping it, and having an impact. Thank you for listening.